Good morning, students. To continue with Unit 2, Consumers Equilibrium and Demand, Chapter Theory of Demand, Part 2. Today, we are going to study about demand curve and its flow. Demand curve is a graphic presentation of demand schedule expressing the relationship between different quantities of a commodity at different possible prices. Like demand schedule, concept of demand curve includes number 1 visual demand curve, number 2 market demand curve. Individual demand curve is a curve showing different quantities of a commodity that one particular buyer is ready to buy at different possible prices of the commodity at a point of time. It is graphic presentation of individual demand schedule. Now you look at the curve. This curve slopes downward from left to right, indicating inverse relationship between own price of a commodity and its quantity demanded. Higher price leads to fall in quantity demanded. Lower price leads to rise in quantity demanded of a commodity. On this curve, quantity is shown on x-axis and price of commodity X are shown on y-axis. So we have marked units of price 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in the same way the units of good X are also marked 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you look at when price is rupees 1 per unit, quantity demanded is 4 units. Price rises to 2, quantity falls to 3 units. And if there is further rise in price to 3 rupees per unit, quantity demanded comes to 2, and at 4 price quantity demanded is 1. After joining these points, we will get a curve. This curve is known as individual demand curve. Now, market demand curve. Market demand curve is a horizontal summation of individual demand curve. It shows the various quantities of a commodity that all the buyers in the market are ready to buy at different possible prices of the commodity at a given point of time. Now, you look at the diagram. This diagram is drawn on the basis of schedule we made in part 1 of the chapter. Here, the first part of the diagram is showing the demand curve of consumer A. Second part is showing the demand curve of B. And third part is showing the market demand curve. So when price is rupees 1 per unit, demand by consumer A is 4 units, demand by consumer B is 5 units, and market demand is 9 units. In the same way, when price of a commodity is rupees 4 per unit, demand of a commodity by consumer A is 1 unit and demand for the commodity by consumer B is 2 units and the market demand is 3 units. So in this way we will derive market demand curve. Market demand curve also slopes downward, showing inverse relationship between own price of the commodity and its quantity demanded. Though demand and quantity demanded are the two different concepts, but for all practical purposes, the difference between the two is ignored. It is a standard practice to write that there is an inverse relationship between price and demand or between price and quantity demanded. Let us study the concept of slope of demand. Demand curve normally slopes downward, indicating negative relationship between price of a commodity and its quantity demanded. Slope of demand curve is estimated as minus delta P upon delta Q. It shows the ratios between change in price corresponding to a unit change in quantity demanded of a commodity. Negative sign indicates the inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded of a commodity. Now look at the diagram. A straight line demand curve is drawn indicating a linear demand function. Here, the slope of demand curve is equal to minus delta P upon delta Q, that is change in price upon change in quantity. In the diagram, change in price is indicated by AB, change in quantity is indicated by BC. Constant at all points on the demand curve D because it is a linear straight line and slope of straight line is constant. Thanks.